NTK introduces new and unique Swiss cutting tool products that ensure excellent performance and success for your machining applications. The TFX front turning insert is designed for large depths of cut, up to 0.197 inches. These inserts incorporate a special chip breaker, providing a sharp cutting edge and excellent chip control. The corresponding TFT series holders are available in coolant-through versions which help evacuate chips away from the machined surface. NTK introduces its first ever solid carbide end mill line, S-mill. The sharpness of these tools creates a remarkable finish on the machined surface. The 2, 3, and 4 flute tools are available in a range of diameters to cover a wide variety of applications, and in 40, 45, and 50 millimeter lengths that are ideal for Swiss lathes. NTK's thread whirling system and specially designed inserts are able to generate single and multi-lead thread forms in a single pass. The unique patented design technology ensures a precise set of inserts developed specifically for each individual thread form. The insert's sharp cutting edge produces better surface finishes with longer tool life than the competition. REZ series of small diameter indexable end mills produce a high quality surface finish when performing a D-cut or ramp machining operations on Swiss lathes. The end mills are available in 1 to 3 pocket designs, and the inserts are multi-cornered, therefore indexable. NTK's BM-style chip breaker enables single-pass back-turning operations. The insert's upright style and screw-style clamping creates a highly rigid system. The wiper flat on the cutting edge ensures excellent surface finishes even at high feed rates. Typical grooving and side-turning problems such as chips remaining in the grooves and bird nesting of chips are solved with NTK's GX chip breaker. The chip control and unique cutting-edge design generates good surface finishes. The GTMH GX series inserts are available in grooving widths up to 0.118 inches and have up to 0.078 inch maximum depth of cut side-turning capability. Y-axis tool holders are a unique Swiss holder developed by NTK to utilize the force of gravity for chip removal during a machining operation. Chip control problems are immediately solved by using these holders for front turning, back turning, and grooving operations. The new ST4 coated carbide grade developed by NTK is the best choice for machining 304 stainless steel parts. The thick PVD coating features excellent adhesion and wear resistance to achieve superior performance for a variety of applications. NTK's Splash series of coolant-through tool holders focus the coolant on the insert cutting edge to evacuate chips away from the machined surface, which improves surface finishes. Cutting tool temperatures are reduced, keeping the insert edge sharp and extending the tool life. The steady coolant flow to the cutting edge also improves the machined part tolerance. Cut-off operations run smoothly when using CTP-style inserts with the 3D molded CX chip breaker. The CX chip breaker is designed to fold chips from both ends, creating a tight curl, controlling the chip as it comes off the part. This action helps to ensure a superior machined surface finish. The patented technology of NTK's adjustable centerline height DS-ACH tool holders are the solution for Swiss lathes without Y2 axis capability. A simple screw adjustment eliminates the center boss on the part end face. NTK's unique Shaper Duo tooling has a large selection of stick-style inserts to generate hexalobular, hexagon, and square sockets that require no special equipment. The coolant-through and one-time adjustable tool holders are a perfect fit for back spindle slots on Swiss lathes. The Shaper system generates less tool pressure than rotary broach-style machining and reduced cycle time compared to end milling.